Forward button. Dim. Button. 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 Button.
Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
There's a huge thunder shower that just rolled in. I don't know if you can see the clouds. And my crazy dog. Crazy dog. What the heck is he doing? Is there going to be one that strikes close again? As you can hear, there is a thunderstorm that just rolled in from the coast. So I just decided to film a video to put it on YouTube. Fire department or something is responding. Sitting outside with my mommy in a thunderstorm. Man, it is dumping. It's a pretty nice thunderstorm here. Does it say the time, how long the video has been going? We're gonna make a nice long one. Or upload, you mean? Am I getting a clear shot of the thunderstorm? What?
Lightning.
Or was it a close one? This is gonna be loud. Well, I thought it was. Woo! Yeah! Sounds like a plane breaking the sound barrier over our house. Nice loud thunder. You know what? We should call this video Loud Thunder. I haven't even uploaded it because I'm still filming it. I want to get a good one. To tell you the truth, this is the last video that I've ever filmed since the filming of the cold start video of our 7.75 pressure washer back at my old house. Now, as you can see, we've moved to a new house with a better cage. Well, that's the thunderstorm. See you next video.